Hi, welcome to Santa Familia. This is a very special project from our company, our crown jewel. Believe it or not, what you see here is the culmination of over 14 years of work. Yes, you heard it right. Because this is not just one building. This is a collection of buildings where we blend three historical categories here at the most residential part of Casco Viejo, our beloved World Heritage Site. From the gardens, to parking, to elevators, everything that we always wanted in just one project. You will see here, for example, this garden, and it looks so natural, and yet all of this sits on top of a parking space because the whole block has been dug through, and that's what accommodates all the things that make possible the modern comforts of life. You have generators, water pumps, all the systems underneath, which are so rare in Casco Viejo. Here at the Palm Garden is truly a lush jungle. The concept belonged to the old school, which was a school that was surrounded. Internally, they had a garden, and we're bringing that back with this multi-layered jungle. Here you will see not only a palm garden, but also species that are so common in Panama, like the guayacanes. You will even see surprising things like cacao, miracle fruit, orchids. It's layered and layered and layered. I like calling this the green neighbor of Santa Familia. In this video, you'll see some of the amenities, and you'll take a look at this project, which is delivering now, but just at this point working through the final details of the property. So walk with us in this video to see glimpses of Santa Familia on the making, and hopefully we'll follow up with a video of Santa Familia ready and delivering. It is an exciting project with unique amenities, first for Casco Viejo and very hard to replicate. This is one and only. From a surf club to a library to lounge, as I said, with the elevators and all the comforts. Our kitchens are top of the game, Miele, all of our appliances, and we're just getting our pre-qualification for our EDGE certification as an efficient building. So that means efficient on energy, water conservation, and energy embodiment. Welcome to the lobby area of Santa Familia. As many things in this project, there are little details that make it special for us. Here, you'll see a piece by artist Sofia Alvarado featuring the logo of Santa Familia, which rescues the modern history of the building, as the modern facade used to have these patterns. So come with us and take a look at this fascinating building. And welcome to the library. A unique feature of Santa Familia, this is a more intimate space for meet and greet and relax. If you want more about this space, then go to this video. We did a specific feature just about the library.